Back to my channel. So you guys should have just saw how I installed this wig right here and how I got it to look as natural as possible. You guys have been letting me know that you guys wanted a start to finish of how I customize my units, how I get them to look as natural as possible, at least for myself. And so I definitely wanted to give you guys that. So I've actually done this video quite a few times, but I've always kind of tried different methods so that I could get the most natural looking unit. So I have some videos where I'm actually using a lace tint, some where I've used just the wig makeup, and then some I think I've used foundation. And so I've learned that because I'm not a professional, it didn't dawn on me that some lace colors are completely different colors. Like some are very white, some actually come where they're more brown or flesh tone. And so I was just spraying lace tint I think on a few of my units that didn't need it, and it was actually making the tint darker than my complexion. So then I noticed that the unit didn't look as natural because the tint was actually darker. So then I realized I need to be more cautious on which units I'm using lace tint on. And so I decided in this video that I was just going to use my foundation as well as some wig makeup, and that was it. Other than me bleaching the knots, I did not use any lace tint. So the lace on this unit is the lace that you guys would get, and I also wanted you guys to see how you can customize your unit without using lace tint. So if you have your foundation, that works. If you have foundation powder, I usually use mineralized skin finish, but today I use my wig makeup. But this is stuff that you guys, if you guys are into makeup, it's stuff that should already be in your collection. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. It is much harder laying a unit and slaying a unit on camera. So yeah, hopefully everything looks, you know, nice, neat, and put together. Most of the time your girl doesn't know until I get into the editing stages, and then I'm like, oh, that doesn't look too great or whatever. But your girl tried. I mean, for the most part, I think that it does look natural. I did very minimal baby hairs using the hairs that came with the unit, and I really didn't do much to this unit because I wanted you guys to see it in its natural state. Since I'm showing you guys how I install this unit to make it look as natural as possible, I wanted you guys to see exactly what it would look like if you washed it, because I showed it to you guys after I bleached the knots and I washed the hair, and then again when I just put some water in the hair and let it air dry. So this is what the unit looks like right now. So just as a reminder, this video is courtesy of HAIRSPELLS. So they were kind enough to send me this unit in this bag right here, which I absolutely love their packaging. It also came with, yeah, another purple bag. So yeah, I absolutely love their packaging. This specific unit that I'm rocking on my head, the link will be down in the description box, but it is 180% density, which I absolutely love about this unit. It is a virgin human hair wig. It is a lace frontal. So the length of this unit is 14 inches and the texture is Eurasian. I think I said that correctly. So my personal thoughts about this unit, I already was looking forward to it being 180% density because, you know, your girl just loves, you know, volume and you know, just a very dense unit, and so I was already looking forward to that. 14 inches I was fine with, because as we get closer to the summertime, it's going to get, you know, of course, warmer or hotter, especially in California. My assumption is because we've been having tricky weather, but yeah, so I definitely could use, you know, a shorter unit. Now what I will say, as far as maybe this will be a con, is that this unit is not layered correctly. I guess that's the best way to say it. So if you guys can see, this hair right here is longer than this side right here. Can you see that? So if you guys can see that, so it's like a weird spot right here where the hair is longer than the rest of the hair. So it's like some long hair right here, but this hair is like really long. Like, you guys see that? So yeah, it's not a big deal. I could go ahead and trim that up and it'll be just fine. But I did want to let you guys know that, you know, I'm assuming they might have cut this unit into this style and somebody probably just forgot that, you know, it's a little bit too long on this side. But yeah, it's not a major con for me. I can go ahead and cut that right on up. But I do actually love the density of it. I do love the feel of the hair. It's very soft and natural feeling, and so I absolutely love that. It definitely feels like this hair is a great quality unit. Like, this hair can last you a while if you take good care of it, you know, make sure you deep condition it and put it up. I definitely feel like this hair can last me a long time, but I'm really great with hair, so, you know, most of my hair can last me a long time. But I do feel like you can do so much with this hair, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually straighten it for you guys within the next couple of days, and then come back on camera and then just show you guys the hair straightened. That is my plan. Hopefully I can do it. If the video is not too long, then I'll definitely add clips of what the hair looks like straightened. But like I told you guys, I just wanted you guys to see what the hair looks like in its natural state and all its volume. There's not really much that I can say about this unit. I did not have to pluck this unit. It already came pre-plucked. Now, could I have plucked it a little bit more? Absolutely. But I felt like since I already knew I was going to do like this throw over look, I didn't need to pluck it because you weren't going to see it anyway. And so I just did, like, you know, baby hairs, you know, as you guys see around the perimeter, and that was it. So yeah, I feel like that was everything I could tell you guys about this unit. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, especially those that have been asking for this video. And so if you guys like this unit, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.